Alright guys, check out Shelly's birthday weekend getaway to this beautiful tree house. Let me give you a tour. So, got some redwoods. Here's the entrance. Got a stove, sink. Dining area. There's a living room. Give you a view here. You got a nice comfy bed. There's the showers. Alright, let me show you guys outside. So here's the balcony. Got a nice fire pit here. Then right next to it is a nice hot tub. Check that out. Then you got a hammock right there. So this is it. This is the treehouse, guys. Let me give you another view here. Pretty cool. Got some champagne. Are you relaxed, babe?
I am very relaxed.
Happy birthday.